Hello, my name is Derek Gallon. I'm a professional photographer and videographer from Europe, currently living in Dominica, the Caribbean. There are many reviews of Mavic 2 Pro on YouTube and I don't want to repeat them. I rather would like to share with you some of my comments from a point of view of a Phantom pilot. I was waiting for Phantom 5 in hope of some improvements, but as you know, it doesn't materialize, so I had to go for Mavic 2 Pro, although I wasn't quite sure if my choice is right. So if, like me, you think about switching from Phantom to Mavic 2 Pro, this video is for you. In my previous clip I shared my experience with dual 4K video settings in Mavic 2 Pro camera on your app, something that adds to possibilities of filming but it's not clearly advertised as such. Today I want to show you something else, a little thing that can make a big difference. If you have experience with Phantom drones, you will know that at one point option to tilt the camera up to 30 degrees up the horizon have been added. However, this had a very limited practical use because of Phantom's cameras were mounted centrally under the drone. When tilting camera up, one often ended with props clearly in the view and ruining otherwise nice video. I found it annoying and I just accepted that I can't tilt up camera more than some 10 degrees and usually disabling this option altogether. And watch this demonstration. You just saw a clip from Phantom 4 Pro with the props showing up at the end when camera goes up. And to my pleasant surprise, this problem has been perfectly solved. In Mavic 2 Pro, camera is mounted so much to the front of the drone that even at the maximum 30 degrees up, it can't see the props. At last, an option that can be fully used, adding to many possibilities of filming with Mavic 2 Pro. Fantastic! With all the improvements done to Mavic models, I already stopped regretting not seeing Phantom 5. And by the way, this Mavic 2 Pro Hasselblad camera is so good that you will notice amazing difference in imaging between Phantom 4 Pro and this Mavic 2 Pro. Sharpness, color, clarity, 10 out of 10. So go for it, you won't regret. To keep this clip as short as possible, I will share with you more of my experience with Mavic 2 Pro in my next clips. Thank you very much. If you find it useful, please subscribe. It will help me and you won't miss another of my videos. And please visit my website artphotographyservices.com. You may find it interesting. Thank you. Until next time.